Yo, what's good, Sneaks family? This is your boy Reggiejaysneakz. Can't you guys stay with the new video? Today's video is going to be a Nike outlet vlog. So I'm going to go ahead and get to Nike, show you guys what they have, any steals and deals, any new release that just came out. It's already at the outlet. I will be showing you guys, so make sure you guys stay tuned. But before we get into the video, you guys already know what I need you guys to do. I need you guys to stop what you guys are doing, drop a like, as well as subscribe. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit the notification bell on, so when I do drop a new video, you guys know when and what I am dropping. But you guys, you already see me in the car. I'm about to go ahead and head straight out, so I'll see you guys once we get to Nike outlet. So now we in Nike. I'm about to start with 7 to 8. Let's see what we can find. See some Air Force Ones, blacked out Cortezes, size 7 for $60. Air Max 1s with the print on it, size 4. Air Max 270s. Off white. ACG boots. ACG Dog Mountains. Never heard of these. 7 for women. Safari Air Max 95, size 6. Still 180, but Air Max 1s for $90. They say retail at $290. I don't know why. They say premium retro. Y'all know why these retail for $290? I'm not sure. Air Force Ones. The duck boot low, size 7, 8.5. I'm sorry showing you guys the sizes because a lot of you guys be asking. So Nike Flyknit Racers for $40. The red colorway. Look like the boys from Nike cleats. These look pretty cool. Some different type shit. Some more Air Force Ones. Women's set 11. I don't know why they're over here. 55. Some retro 2s in here. 7.5. 55 bucks. Air Max 95s. The box keep falling out, but these pretty clean. 95 to 170. Got a couple sizes in here. There's another one. 8 to 95. Some futuristic Nikes. I don't know what they call them. These. These is a Nike Air Zoom Legends. 250, 90, 170. They got a blacked out colorway. And they got this colorway too. Laser forwards in here. Size 7.5, they still want 2020. Air Force Ones Pies. Orange color with the see-through bottoms. Size 8. $75. It's $195 in here. Size 8. Kobe ADs. Size 8. Air Max 270s. 100. Kobe Potro 1. Still 175. Yeah. Why not? Good. Air Force. Kobe's. $25 for these Kobe's.
That's English.
Oh yeah, you want 270s right here? 150. that was the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video that you guys just got finished seeing. It's actually going to be maybe a 2 or 3 part video because I was in Nike so long today that I got like probably like an hour worth of footage, and I don't want you guys to just be sitting through that whole hour. So I'll probably end up breaking it down to either 2 or 3 more videos, including this one. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that one because I did find a lot of stuff in there. But like I said, I don't want you guys sitting in this video for 30-40 minutes. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Let me know what you guys liked from this first video. We did find a lot of good stuff in there. I know I didn't even get to show you guys the girl side, the kid side, as well as the rest of the men's side. We barely only got to size probably like 10 or 11 before I cut the video off. Sneak family, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Make sure you guys stay tuned because I will be keep dropping videos the rest of this week. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Sneak family, I'm out of here. Peace.